What's going on, guys? So in today's video I'm going to show you how you can basically turn any photo into a fall photo in less than 60 seconds. Here we go. Alright, here we go. So this is going to be our example photo. We're going to put a little edit on it, and you can still see the leaves are pretty green. So what we're going to do is we're going to grab a gradient filter, pull it all the way down so everything's selected, and then we're going to go all the way down to the tab that says range mask. We're going to turn it to color. We're going to take the color selection tool and select the green colors of the leaves. What this is going to do is going to select everything that has the colors of the leaves. Now we can go to the hue and change that to our liking, more to the orange red side. I'm going to go to the saturation slider and adjust it to my liking till about here, and then all I'm going to do is go up to the temperature tab, warm it up a little bit, and then take my vignette, adjust it a little darker, and that's it. Alright, and there you have it. Now you can basically take any photo and turn it into a fall photo. I hope you liked this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace!